Okay. Show me.
Hi guys, welcome back to the DutchRC channel. Thank you very much for tuning in for my test flights, multiple, I hope at least, with this self-built quadcopter. It is, what should I call this quadcopter? The DutchRC 200GT. I've done a video about the frame and about the stack, and all components I used are in the description of this video. And yes, the links in that description are affiliate links. It's not like I'm making money from these videos, but if you'd be so kind to use my links, that'll help me out to order new stuff to review. So yeah, to have more content, if you will. Okay, so I've been building this Rotorama with diatone stack and Runcam camera and Emax motors. And oh, by the way, this Rotorama frame didn't come with a strap, but they do sell, I hope this is visible, these very, very nice Kevlar stitched straps. So I got me one of those. It feels very, very sturdy. Okay, and let me see. I'll be using my Eversky Horus X10S as my radio, and today I'll be using these lipos. These are the Tattoo R-Line 1050 6S 95C lipo. 6S, oh, I already mentioned that. So yeah, I'll probably be testing a couple other lipos as well, but I'm pretty sure these will work. The R-Line lipos have a good reputation, right? I have a couple of them and work. Okay, enough blah blah. Let's take it up for two flights. One line of sight flight and one FPV flight. Here we go. Alright guys, always a bit scary. Made a flight for the DutchRC 200GT. Line of sight. Here we go. And it at least arms, and yay, we are up and away. This is really my first takeoff with the quadcopter, so yeah, always a little bit scary. That was a takeoff that was not done by me. What the hell was that? It does sound smooth, but that was weird. My radio isn't complaining about RSSI, so I assume the reception is good. We'll see in the FPV flight, right, what the reception is like, what the RSSI value is like. I'll be sure to include that in the OSD. Maybe maybe it was me. Of course, the FPV flight will be more telling, especially because we'll be able to see the on-screen display, and I'm being attacked by... Yeah, maybe the quad is just very sensitive to the throttle because it's light and powerful. 6S. I don't know, hard to say. Yeah, could be. It is very quiet.
2 minutes.
And yeah, once again I've built a quadcopter without LEDs, so it's harder to keep track of. But okay, apart from that unexpected takeoff, it flies beautifully. So maybe again it's simply the throttle curve and the quadcopter being very sensitive to the throttle. Again, it's light and powerful, so yeah, could be. In general, I fly heavier quadcopters, as you probably know, freestyle quadcopters. So it could just be me. For the rest, it flies brilliantly. You will probably not really be able to hear the quadcopter. And yeah, I am being a little more careful than usual. And mostly because of those sudden unexpected takeoffs.
Low battery.
Low battery? I'm not sure. I haven't really calibrated my voice feedback really to the 0.0 voltage yet. I'll see how that works out after a couple of flights. Yeah, I'm not sure. Weird. Unexpected takeoffs. But for the rest, no problem at all. And the second reason why I'm flying it reasonably careful is that I obviously can't see the amp draw at this moment. And before I really stretch its legs, I want to know what and so we'll see in a minute in the FPV flight, right? I'll have the amp draw on screen as well, so we'll see what that looks like. It is a nimble quadcopter, and that's exactly what you'd expect from a light 6S quadcopter. I think the LiPo could be a little lighter. I might try an 850 milliamp hour 6S, but I don't have one yet, so we'll see in the future. Okay, so it flies. Let's set it down.
Engines disarmed.
Engines disarmed. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's see how everything feels. The motors are slightly warmer than ambient. ESCs normal, and I'm sure that the LiPo is completely cold. Yeah, the LiPo is completely dead cold. Okay. So that looks fine. And I'm gonna switch to my FPV flight now. I won't be narrating that, and yeah, you tell me what you think of the flight. I will be doing a roundup / review of my own build in a couple of weeks when I've done say 50 flights with it. Be on the lookout for that. For now, yeah, enjoy the flight and tell me what you think. Catch you on the next video. Bye bye.
Disarmed.